morning everyone. I am Kritika in class 8th. Today we are present here to do an activity on article. So let us know about article. An article is a word that comes before a noun to show whether it's specific or general. There are two types of article, indefinite article, definite article. So now I invite Vaishnavi and Meenakshi to explain you about indefinite article A and N.
Everyone, I am the indefinite article. I may look small but very important. Whenever you want to talk about just only one thing and you are not being specific, you call me like this is a cat. Thank you.
Hello everyone, you know who I am? I am an as an indefinite article. I use before a countable noun in a singular number, beginning with vowel sound. For example, a honest man never tell a lie. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, I am Anshan Tiwari. Today I will tell about the uses of the. The is a word used to refer to any specific person, place or thing. Uses of the. The is used with superlatives, with the names of holy books and with the mountain names. Some examples of the. The Ramayana is written by Valmiki. Ram is the most intelligent boy in the class. Thanks.
Hello everyone, I am Vidit Singh. I am the, where the is not used with general statement, plural noun and uncountable noun. Name of most country, cities and street, meal, breakfast, lunch, dinner, sports and game, football, chess, academic subject, mathematics and history, transportation, by car, by bus. Thank you.